Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the program you chose for the 2021 sweat challenge that starts January 11th, I believe. It's super easy, super quick. But before we get into that, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more sweat tips. All right, so first we're gonna start by opening the Sweat app. I'm gonna be doing it on my phone here, so let's hope that I can figure out how to edit it onto the screen. That'd be great, right? Okay, so you're gonna open the app. First thing you're gonna see is the sweat challenge, getting ready for the 6 weeks of at-home workouts. Starts Monday, January 11th, and it goes till Sunday, February 21st. So then we're going to click the Start in 25 Days banner. And then at the top right corner, you're gonna see 3 dots in a circle. You're gonna click that, and you're gonna either click Change Program or Leave Program. So let's click Change Program. And then from there, you're gonna see no equipment options. So BBG Challenge, Power at Home, Fierce, Yoga, another yoga. And then if you scroll down, you're gonna see the challenges with equipment. So there's Lifting at Home, BBG Challenge, Power at Home Challenge, Fierce, Build, the new high intensity program with Cass, and then the Barre with Brittany challenge. So whatever challenge you choose, let's say I'm gonna go to BBG. So then you're gonna see here 2 options, whether you're starting out or if you're more intermediate or advanced fitness level, you can select that option. I'm gonna choose the Challenge Me option for this demo purpose. Then I'm gonna hit Join Challenge. And there you go, you're back in. All right, so that was super quick, super easy, very straightforward. Sweat has made it very easy to move around in their app and move around in the programs. So that's all for today. Find me on Instagram at Katygofit. I'm on there all the time. If there's anything you want me to show you in the future, send me a DM, let me know. Don't forget to give this video a like, hit the subscribe button. If I miss anything or you want me to show anything, you can also say it in the comments below. I will also include in the description box below the free trial link to the Sweat app. It's 7 days. The Sweat challenge is not included in the free trial. You have to be subscribed to it. I think the subscribing fee is like $125 or so a year, or $20 a month. Always go for the annual subscription. It's so much cheaper. It's about $10 a month if you break it down per month. It's about the same cost as Spotify Premium, or I think Apple Music. So it's very much worth it if you use the programs or use the app. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.